Well, hello, this is Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from a Zenpop box. You can go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Reader for a discount. This is Maruchan with their Shio Yakisoba. This is a Ninniku stamina variety. I don't know what the stamina sauce and stamina thing is all about. But, look at that. 1 minute. It's another one of these 1 minute deals. Yeah, the noodle is really, really tight and thin. So, the last one of these that I did that was a 1 minute noodle, it worked out really well. So, I'm looking forward to it. We'll say that much. But basically, yeah, 1 minute. So I instinctively set it for 3 minutes because that's just how things generally go. But not today. So we'll fill. Whoa, come on, noodle block. Let's put water up to the line. So what's everybody been doing? Today is 7-Eleven. Yes, like the grocery store. And I don't know, or the Quickie Mart, or whatever you want to call it. And I don't know if they still do this 1 minute. But that's a dirty fork. Dirty fork. I don't know if they still do it, but it used to be on 7-Eleven, you'd get a free Slurpee. Of course, it's like a Dixie cup Slurpee. It's like, here's your free Slurpee, you know. It's not like Slurpees break the bank either, so if you go wait till tomorrow when nobody's trying to get their free Slurpee anymore, and then go get a Slurpee. I don't know. I like Slurpees. We went to, what's it called? Day Out with Thomas yesterday, which is a big railroad. They do it at this railroad museum up in Snoqualmie, Washington. Got to ride on a train by Snoqualmie Falls and got to see Sir Topham Hatt and all that Thomas the Tank Engine kind of stuff. That was cool. Kids enjoyed that. I just didn't like getting around because it's like I can't see so well, so it's like, whoo. But it worked out. I mean, it was cool. It was a nice day too. Having a lot of those lately, except for the humidity aspect. But I don't know. I found today, it's what, almost 9 a.m. I found that so far today, at least, it was agreeable. I like that. So let's do this. I don't know what I'm doing. What are you doing? I don't know. But here is our. I hope you have the stamina, or maybe this will give stamina. I really don't know. I really want to understand the whole stamina aspect. So we got that, and then we have this liquid. So it's supposed to be garlic stamina shoyu. Or Shio, rather. Thank you very much. I had a tonkatsu one that took 1 minute the other day, and that was brilliant. Brilliant, wonderful stuff. So now we stir thusly. See, this is the only downside with Shio Yakisoba. It really doesn't tend to get all that much look to it. That's why I like regular old sauce yakisoba, the one that kind of has that Worcestershire hit to it, because that gets a nice color, and when you throw stuff in with it, it looks neat. But like, I've got mung bean sprouts, I can put them on the side, but if I drop them in it, it's just going to look like white with a side of white mixed into it. So if I put it on the side, at least it looks kind of a little something. Really. These are very fluffy noodles. Yeah, 1 minute yakisoba. Isn't that something, ladies and gentlemen? The technology is unbelievable. Let's give him a big hand. Actually, it's just the thinner the gauge, the noodle, the quicker it steeps. That's all. Oh, come on. This is downright like vermicelli gauge. There you go. Cheers. Oh, there's the garlic. Kind of a buttery, salty garlic hit. Okay. Alright. I can get with it. I can feel it. They always look like hamburger patties, I swear. What to do, what to do. Ah, I think I know what to do. So I'm gonna do this. Like that. And yeah, that's totally what I'm doing with that. And hold on, hold on. You'll see what I'm doing momentarily. But I will wow and amaze you. That's the plan, at least. Okay. Two and throw. Just be another minute, don't worry. Well, stay in the middle. You just want to roll away, don't you? Probably will. What do you do? And we got some seeds. And there it is. Some shichimi, and that is that. So there you are. Enjoy. Cool, thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.